learning. Today we will learn about eating habits of animals. And you know children, like us, all animals too need food to get energy and to grow. Do you know children, what do plants eat? Most plants can make their own food, but animals can't. Animals depend on plants or other animals for their food. Let's discuss about eating habits of animals. Some animals eat plants and plant parts. For example, elephant, cow, zebra, giraffe, deer, horse, etc. You know children, elephants are fond of sugarcane. An adult elephant eats about 150 kg of grass, twigs and fruits a day. And you know, goats like to eat neem leaves. We have already seen that cows and buffaloes eat plants. But you know children, they also eat straw, oil cakes, cotton seeds, etc. Next, some animals like birds, hens and squirrels eat grains and nuts. Animals like rabbit, monkey, parrot, etc. eat fruits and vegetables. Do you know? Rabbits are fond of eating carrots and parrots love to eat green chilies. Next, animals like tiger, lion, jackal, wolf, snake, etc. eat flesh of other animals. And you know, they prey on other animals and eat them up. So they are called the beasts of prey. You know, some birds also eat flesh of other animals. Birds like stork, eagle, hawk, kingfisher, vulture, crane, etc. prey on smaller animals and eat their flesh, so that they are called the birds of prey. Some animals like frog, spider, bat, lizard, etc. eat insects. Do you know children? A frog's tongue grows from the front of its mouth, which makes it easier to catch flies. And the frog's tongue is very sticky. It's used to capture prey. Some animals like bear, pig, etc. eat both plants and flesh of other animals. In the first two pictures, how a bear eats both plant and meat. A pig also eats both plants and flesh of other animals. Now, animals that eat only plants and plant parts are called herbivores. For example, cow, zebra, etc. Animals that eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, etc. And the animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. For example, deer, pig, etc. Now, let's discuss some questions. Name any two animals that eat the following kinds of food. Number A. Plants. Do you know children, which animals eat plants? Yes, cow and zebra. Number B. Flesh. Which animals eat flesh of other animals? Yes, tiger and lion. Number C. Grains. And the animals that eat grains and nuts are hen and squirrel. Number D. Both plants and flesh. Bear and pig. Number E. Insects. And the animals that eat insects are frog and lizard. Next, match the animals to the food they eat. And the first picture is cow. And you know that cows eat plants. Next, hen. And hens eat grains. The third picture is a bear. And you know, bears eat both plants and other animals. The next picture is a tiger. And you know, tigers eat other animals, right? Yes. And the last picture is a frog. And you know, frogs eat insects. Next, write true or false. Number A. Birds pick up grains and worms. Yes, it's true. Number B. An elephant eats smaller animals. No, it's false. Elephants eat only plants and plant parts. Then, horses are fond of gram. Yes, it's true. Number D. Bear eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Yes, it's also true. Number E. Giraffes eat flesh of other animals. No, it's false. Next, pick the correct choice. Number A. This animal doesn't eat plant. And can you tell which of the following animals doesn't eat plant? Yes, it's lion. Next, this animal eats both plants and flesh of other animals. And can you say what is it? Yes, it's a bear. Number C. This animal eats insects. Cow, lion or lizard? Yes, it's lizard. Next, this animal eats grains. Lizard, hen or tiger? Yes, it's hen. Number E. This animal eats flesh of other animals. Jackal, sheep or horse? Yes, it's jackal. Question number 5. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Number A. A rabbit eats dash, grains or carrots? Yes, it's carrots. Number B. A frog eats dash, insects or grains? Yes, insects. Number C. A sparrow eats dash, grains or grass? Yes, it's grains. A sparrow eats grains. Number D. A lion eats dash, grass or flesh? Yes, it's flesh. A lion eats flesh. Number E. A cow eats dash, grass or insects? Yes, it's grass. A cow eats grass. Now, here is an interesting question for you. Ria has a cat. She keeps 2 bowls in front of the cat. In one bowl, she puts some grains. In other bowl, she pours some milk. And can you say from which bowl will the cat eat its food? We know that cats love to drink milk, right? Yes, so the cat will eat from the bowl where milk is kept. Do you know, children? Some animals live on streets. Such animals are called stray animals. And remember, never hurt these animals. Ill-treating these animals is punishable. They don't have enough food and water to survive. So try to feed these animals. It's all for today. Thank you.